Good morning, my fellow followers and subscribers. Apology for not to have updated you guys on previous stage before this stage. I have been moving up and down on all of our projects. That's the project at Ilorin and the one at Lakeview as well too. So we have to give some inspection and a check on those projects as well too, whether they are in line with what we've drawn and what we're aiming to achieve. But I promise you, in this video I'm making now, the stage that I've missed, that I ought to have sent to you guys before this stage, I'll briefly explain and brush through those stages as well too. Yeah, so prior to this roof beam stage, the last video I sent to the channel was when they are erecting the reinforcement column for this floor. Yeah, the one I'm taking the camera down to show. So the reinforcement has been erected, and as you can see, the column as well has been casted. So that's the column beneath this formwork. The column has been casted, and that's what gives us the chance and advantage of moving on to the next stage, which is this roof beam stage. So the roof beam stage as well too begin by making the formwork by the carpenter. As you can see how the marine board are well laid, so everything are well prepared according to the drawing and to the specification given by the structural engineer. So the whole formwork has been formed according to the drawing, and the electrical guy, mechanical engineer, and as well as the plumber, they've come onto site to do their services as well, to do their need for us to progress to this stage that we have now. That's the casting. So as you can see, as you can see all the pipes standing. So those are the pipes that are laid by the plumber, because this is the roof. This is the stage where there's so much water will be on the surface, the rainwater coming from the top, as well as the overflow of the reservoir water tank as well too. Over there where this man is working there, where he's tapping, that's where we have, I'll stick the camera there for you guys to see clearly, is where we have the reservoir tank. You can see so much pipe over there. So the piping there are to take the overflow of water from the tank to the ground. So the man is going to tap the concrete slowly, gently towards the direction of those pipes for it to take the water to the ground. To this side is where we have the roof gutter. Here we have the roof gutter. So the roof is sloping towards this direction. As you can see as well, so that we have so much pipe that are laid at this edge as well too. What's their purpose? What are they serving? What are they doing there? This pipe as well too are to take the rainwater coming from the roof. The roof is sloping towards this direction. So those pipes are to take the rainwater coming from the roof to the ground as well too. So what exactly that man is doing over there by sloping those concrete gently towards the pipe will be done here as well too. So this is the length of the roof. So whereby it will slope towards the edge where we have this pipe. So the pipe there, the one that are taking the, what's it called, rainwater down, the one that are serving all other purpose as well to inside the building. So the whole of this layer where we are seeing some laborers are working on is a roof gutter side. So the sloping of the roof is coming towards the side. At the void there is where we are going to have our roof carcass. These two beams that are independent are to carry, they are the major roof beam that's going to carry the roof. The wall plate, that's 2x6 hardwood wall plate, will be laid on top of this. As you can see, this cutter rod. I'm coming there to explain the cutter rod as well too. This cutter rod is going to the wall plate is going to be laid in between this cutter rod, whereby it's going to be tight. It's going to be tightened to that wall plate. The purpose of that wall plate is to, what is it called? is to serve as a surface for all other roof caca that are coming on top of it. So the wall plate are to be on all these edges of the roof beam, where other roof caca will lay on top of it. So these two independent beam are the major beam that are carrying the roof. So the void there are where we are going to have all other roof cacas. That's our what is it called? Trusses, for line, cane posts, wall plates, noggin, all sort of roof member like that. So this is the void of the roof itself. So these are the beam that will carry the wall plate and all other roof caca as well too. So at all the edges of the building is where we are having this cutter rod, and I've explained as well too that the cutter rod purpose is to withstand and firm the roof together. That's where the carpenter is going to knock his wall plates and make it firm together. So this one is trying to bracing the beam to each other. So once they are pouring the concrete into all these beams as well, there won't be any backfall from the pouring. So here is roof gutter as well too. Then we have pipe as well too that are well laid to take the water down. So there's going to be a parapet wall all around the edges of this building as well too, whereby the whole thing will be concealed, both the beam, the reservoir tank, so no one will be showing outside. So everything, the roof, the reservoir tank, everything will be concealed inside the roof, so nothing will be surfaced outside. So this place I have as well too, it's going to be casted where water will fall on and be taken down to the ground. So pipe that to take those water down has been erected and well laid already. So in between some beam as a whole like that, there are pipe that are laid as I've shown you guys earlier on in the previous video. So those pipes are they are called sleeve, as I've explained earlier on. There are sleeve whereby electrical pipe, mechanical pipe, AC pipe, all other services pipe will be passed in between. As you can see as well, there are no any white common electrical pipe on this surface. So the provision of that has been well provided in between the beam. So let me move close to the man that is tapping and doing the casting. So this is the man doing the casting. As you can see, we have the vibrator machine here as well too. The vibrator serves the purpose of what? To vibrate the concrete that are poured, so to make them firm and stay close to the regular. So once the concrete has been dry and solidified, when you remove it, it's going to give you a fine and a nice finish. But the concrete that are not well vibrated, that is when you have all this honeycomb of a thing. Yeah, we have some hollow in between those concrete. So the purpose of this vibrator is to vibrate those concrete and make them stay and firm together to give you that finish. So you can see the surface. So the slope of this side towards the side of those pipes. As you can see how water are settling at those edges. So the whole thing will be done to the entire side. So lastly, before I round up this video, let me quickly show you how they are mixing the concrete from the ground. So these laborers, they were divided into groups. There are a set of people that are at the sand. There are another set of people that are at the granite, while some are at the mixing machine itself. Over here, you can see these are a set of people that are loading the sand to the mixer. These are another set of people here at the granite, while some are at the granite itself, loading it to the loader that are bringing it upstairs here. So the ratio we're using ratio 1:2:2. That's half bag of cement, 2 earth-pound of sand, and 2 earth-pound of granite. This means that what we have a good and nice outcome. So as you can see from the ground, they are bringing up the concrete up to here. So thank you guys, thank you for your often likes, your often comments. That makes the video being progressing. Just keep yourself updated, keep yourself stick to the channel at least till the finish. As I promised earlier on, at least you will be enjoying the video. And as I said earlier, based on our previous our all other project as well too, the one and learn and League as well too. Soon enough, I will send you guys some video on the current stage and one next stage we have to move on those projects as well too. So Aja project here, at least the casting of the roofing is ongoing, which you are going to achieve successfully by God's grace today. So the next stage that will be moving on will be the roofing the building itself and begin the setting of the block. So by tomorrow now, the concrete will be welded and the site will be well prepared to move in some blocks and some other material that will make us move on to the next stage. Keep subscribing, keep enjoying the video, keep liking till the finishing stage. I'll be updating you guys. Thank you.